There are different methods of topping up for the Asda mobile. Every method has a separate procedure. But a question arises that how to top up voucher. Now let me explain the methods of top up with complete detail. We will also discuss the Asda minimum top up after the discussion on the top up procedure. There are different limits for the Asda minimum top up depends on debit, credit card and voucher by stores. Following are the different methods of top up. And these methods are the answers to the single question that how to top up Asda. Top up by a text message. Top up by text message is a straightforward way of topping up. In this method, the first step is to register your debit or credit card by calling on 2732. After the registration of your card, you will go to the right message option of your mobile. Write the word top up, then write a hash sign like hash. Then write the amount and again hash sign and then in the last write the last 4 digits of your debit or credit card and send it to 2732. For example, top up number 20 number 1234 and send it to 2732. Top up by a phone call. Top by a phone call to 2732 is the second method of topping up. For this method, registration of your debit or credit card is the initial requirement for the top up. After the debit or credit card registration, call 2732 and select option number 1, option number 1, and again option number 1 for the topping up through the automatic system. Top up by top up card method. The top-up card can be achieved by the Asda website and find the topping up option, then fill in the blanks after clicking on the topping up option. This procedure comes under the category of Asda top-up online. For the loading of the top-up card, another way is to go to the Asda store or any store that has the display of the top-up logo. This procedure is also called the Asda mobile top-up online. You can receive your top-up card at the stage of receiving your new SIM card, but if you did not receive it at this stage, then also apply the same procedure of website topping up. Voucher method of topping up. The voucher method of topping up is the last method of topping up. Any person can purchase the voucher of top-up at checkout of the website of Asda Network. Checkout is actually the option in the Asda Network's website or any other network where you pay for the network services. After purchasing the voucher, you will call on 2732 from your mobile, then you will choose option 1, then option 2, and then you will enter the code of your voucher, which consists of 16 digits. You can purchase it from the kiosk of online stores of Asda Network's website or from any online store of Asda Network that has the top-up logo. Online stores mean the online websites of companies. These companies offer the goods and services for selling through these websites without involving any human efforts. What is the limit of top-up? If you are the user of a debit or credit card, you can top up from £1 to £30. You can select any amount for the top-up between £1 to £30. To prevent any fraud, the Asda Network has set the limit of £30 for a daily top-up, £60 for a whole week's top-up, and £12 for the whole month's top-up. The top-up facility by using the web store of Asda Mobile is also available. By using the Asda Network's web store, you can buy the e-voucher, or the top-up card facility can be available up to the limits of the following amounts: £5, £10, £15, £20, £25, £30, £40, £50. What is the recurring top-up method, and how is its procedure? It is the automatic procedure of deducting the charges for the network provider's particular plan. Network company directly deducts the charges from your registered debit or credit card. In this method, company top up the mobile of their customer without giving prior notice to their customers. In recurring top-up, payment is deducted after every 7, 10, 14, or 30 days. You can also set the limit of days by yourself. You can set the limit from the first date of the month till the 28th of the month. The amount which you have to decide is between £5 to £50. For the recurring top-up, you will have to dial 2732 with your mobile, or also can dial the number 0800 0792732 in case you are using the other phone for the registration of debit or credit card. But if you have registered already your debit or credit card, then just go to write message option, type there auto top, then write the # sign, then amount. After it writes #, then write the limit of days, frequency of days, and then #. For example, auto top number 10, number 30, number 1234. After submitting your text message, the network provider will send you a text message that will consist of the details. Expiry of top-up. There are 180 days in which you should make a chargeable call or text message. If you make no call, no use of internet data, and no text message to anyone, then your top-up will expire automatically. Due to not using your SIM in the last 180 days, your call will be directly forwarded to the Asda network's automated service. It means that you cannot call anyone anymore. But your SIM will remain active for the inbound calls. You will be able to receive a call but not be able to dial the number to anyone. For the activation of your SIM again, you should make a call on 0800 079 2732. This call will be free of cost. What if someone did not use the SIM for a longer period? In the case of unused SIM from the last 270 days, all services will be expired, including the inbound calls. All your credit in your SIM will be expired. For your SIM activation, you will have to purchase the Asda top-up voucher and make a call on 0800 079 2732 from your phone. This call will be free of cost. If you are not using your SIM for the last 360 days, your network connection will be disconnected completely. Your number will be deleted completely in this case. The company will not reactivate your SIM if you are not using it for the last 360 days. Popular questions people ask. What is the amount limit of top-up? You can top up your account between £1 to £30. To avoid fraudulent activities, the daily limit is £30, the weekly limit is £60, and the monthly limit is £120. How is my top-up expired? You have to make a chargeable call every 180 days to activate your number. If you haven't used your top-up in the last 180 days, you won't be able to call anyone. I hope this Asda mobile top-up guide helps you to avail this voucher correctly. So share it within your circle and let me know in the comments if I missed anything. Have a great day.